Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Welcome to my backyard. Today, we have our 90-day update. As you can see, the garden is looking good. We have our first peppers. So, I got serious today. I came out and I wanted to see my pepper plants, especially now since I have my first pepper. I wanted to make sure that their neighbor, my sweet potatoes, did not bother them anymore. So I came out today and I pruned back my sweet potatoes. Now it's been 90 days for the watermelons and look like they are almost ripe. Again, it's been 90 days. Look at this watermelon. It's big. With watermelon vines, you want to go ahead and cut off the end of the vine right above the fruit. This way, it pushes the nutrients and energy back into the watermelon. With vines, you want to go ahead and cut off the end of the vine right above the flower. When pruning cantaloupe vines, all you do is cut some of the leaves off. You do not need all the leaves on the cantaloupe vines. That's a honeydew melon right there, honeydew melon. So if you don't get to these plants early on and prune them, you are going to have issues. And this is obviously what has happened to my cucumbers, even though we've had plenty of cucumbers come off of these vines. Now this part of the cucumber is called the nodes, N-O-D-E-S, nodes. Now, this is called the growth point. And they're really not serving a purpose. Here's the fruit. Now, I'm going to try not to cut any of the fruit off. That's the fruit. The flower is the fruit. All right. So I want to go ahead and cut some of these growth points off of here. All of these leaves on here are not serving a purpose. So I wanted to trim everything down. But you need to do this early on. Now these are called the tentacles. And that is what wraps around plants close to it. These three plants right here are cherry tomatoes. And that's where I have been getting the bulk of my tomatoes from the cherry tomatoes. So again, you want to grow the tomatoes that grow really well in your region. And for us, being in the hot climate down here, it's 104 degrees, the cherry tomatoes grows very well. Again, you just pull the sucker off. Suckers, pull them off. The Swiss chard is growing great. Again, it is a cool weather and a warm weather crop. Swiss chard, it grows really quick in my region, so it's doing great. My New Zealand spinach is doing great. It is also a cool weather and a warm weather crop. We've already harvested about 5 crops of New Zealand spinach.